welcome to Two Wheel Bikers HQ. We're in the garage. Going to do a little review today on the Bruhl, whatever you say it, dryer. So we've got the Bruhl dryer, motorbike dryer. I've had this for a year now. You know, it's a cracking bit of kit. I just have to show you it in action. Comes with attachments there, look. A couple more attachments. I use this one. You know, it's pretty powerful. Got the RCD safety trip there. It's filtered, so you know you're not blowing bits on your bike. It's pretty good. And it's either than drying it with a cloth. I mean, I've got a drawer full of microfiber cloths there. Not as good as this baby. So I'm going to wash the bike and we'll show you it in action. Okay, don't normally do a snow foam, but for the purpose of this video we'll just do it. Normally just give it a hand wash, soapy water. Don't like using chemicals on it, but I will this time. So quick snow foam. I've got it on medium power, which isn't very powerful on this, so don't like jet washing it, so it's on, like I say, a low pressure. So beautiful. Like I say, these attachments just pull out there, look. So you can swap them for whichever one you want. Switch on. Only joking. Stupid boy. Right, let's go. Right, so switch her on. We're on heat. That pipe extends. Start at the top. Work your way around. You're not going to end up with a squeaky finish. crannies. You see. So much easier than using a cloth. Hey up. So there we go. Go around them shiny bits now with a bit of polish. The job's a good one. That shrinks itself down again. But yeah, not going to be any spots on there. You know, I've just had a quick waft over it, but you get the idea. Proper job, and it's more fun. More fun than going around with a cloth. So, if that's any good, you know, I got that for Christmas last year. So I've had that 9 months, and it's a little belter. Use it every time. Like I say, I go over it with that, and then, you know, just a quick walk around with a cloth if I've missed out, you know, which I have. But 5 minutes and it's done. What a belting piece of kit. So and I still love this bike. So quick polish up, and we'll be back in a bit. So that is the Bruhl or Brühl dryer. That is the 1900 plus. That's the middle one. There's a smaller one and a bigger one than that. So that's the middle one. It's plenty. You know, you can do your car with it, and it's pretty powerful. I've even blown all the leaves out of the garage the other day with it, so you know, and I've got a compressor. Right up. That's that. So I hope this video comes in handy to you. We'll get the bike polished up, finished, and we'll see you in a bit. See you on the next one. Bye. Bye now. Brilliant stuff. So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.